Name? Sandhya Rani.
Yes. So I am Sandhya Rani from BTech third year, and I have made this timer switch using RTC module. I have tried to automatize the manual switching on and off of any device. So by using this project, user don't need to switch on and off their device manually, but from this device, user can set the time. Any 4 timers can be set for the whole day, and as per that time, device will be on and off. So when the on time will match to the current time, then the relay will send high signal to the device and device will be on. And when the off time will match to the current time, then relay will send low signal to the device and device will be off. And by using okay, so the current time is 15:31 currently. Friday and the date is also showing. So using this push button, there are 4 timers: T1, T2, T3, T4, and using up and down, I can activate or deactivate it. So T1 is activated, T2 is activated, and T3, T4 is not activated. So one by one, I can activate and deactivate it. So timer 1, I have set 15:35. So it will on at 15:35 and off at 15:37. And it is activated, so it will work according to this timer. And timer 2, I have set 15:40 to 15:42. So it will on in this duration also. Timer 3 is not activated, so it will not work. And same for timer 4, it is not activated, so it will not work. But we can use all these 4 timers for a whole day. And RTC is tracking the real time.
What is the need of this Arduino?
So Arduino is basically providing the code and all the setup for all these 4 timers and providing the signal to relay.
I don't think the code is just if else condition. Right? Condition. Code is only if else. If the time is less than this one, switch on and give signal. Otherwise,
You turn on your bulb.
Yes, sir.
it is given for 3:35. It will take some time, right?
Yes, sir.
4 minutes is already given.
So it is 15:35. So
कर देता है
okay, sir.
जल्दी on
So okay, down, then it will on and end at 15:34.
So reduce the time. Make it
Yes.
1 minute.
No, just wait for
What
that.
is this RTC?
RTC, it is a real-time clock module. It is tracking the real time, current time and current date, everything.
It is connected with GPS.
No, sir. It is independent.
How it current time catches?
So current time, like first user need to set the time by using set clock push button, and then it will track after that all the times. Even if it is off also, it can track.
Instead of that, you can have a GPS module, right?
Yes, sir. We can use that.
GPS module can you integrate it?
Yes, sir.
GPS module you can integrate.
Yes.
What's the purpose of this one? Knob.
Sir, actually, it is disconnected. There's no use.
What's the use of this one?
No use.
Okay.
It is disconnected.
Why did you then fit it?
No, initially somebody used this.
Okay. Reusable.
Can we develop like a mobile app? We can.
Instead of coming and setting it here, it should be done. It should be
तुम्हारा
able to
phone
remotely.
Sir, I will switch.
Switch on ही नहीं किया